Welcome to Travel Check-ins with Jermaine and Saida, where we slow travel our way through the world as digital nomads. In today's video, we are going to share the reasons why we just cannot love the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas. The hotel room is exquisite, but what really fell flat for us with the Cosmopolitan was the experience when we arrived. When you arrive at the Cosmopolitan, the entryway is very exclusive. You're driven down beneath ground to the entryway, and it's very private. And so when we were coming in, I thought, wow, this is going to be amazing. I love this. But as soon as we got out of our Uber and went into the lobby, we knew that this was not going to be the kind of place for us. You're ushered in like cattle. The lines are super long. The service is horrible. You come in, there are doormen, bellmen, all kind of employees standing around, but nobody is helping you. Nobody's directing you to where to go. The entire layout is chaotic and the lines are super long. When we finally got to the desk after waiting probably 20-25 minutes in line, they had our reservation all messed up. So those things just added to the nonsense that was the check-in process. Beyond the check-in process, the room is amazing. The bathroom was laid out really nicely. The shower and bathtub situation was amazing. The bedroom was spacious. The living room was spacious. The furniture was clean. And one of the reasons why we booked this room was the balcony and the views of the fountain. I can't take anything away from the room. The room is amazing. If you can get past the check-in experience and the feel of not having like an exclusive experience or an experience where you're expected and you're welcome and you're guided through such a large hotel space, then you may love the Cosmopolitan. The view from the room is over the top. We chose this room because we wanted to watch the fountain show in private in our own bedroom on the balcony. Like I said, we had stayed at the Bellagio, and when you're at the Bellagio, you can go downstairs and you can see the fountain show from the common areas. But this time we wanted a more private viewing. We wanted to just be able to sit and to relax, have dinner in our room and just relax on the balcony and watch the show. And the show is every 15 minutes, so we were able to watch the show in private from our room every 15 minutes. That part makes this room a great buy. It makes it a room that you should consider booking. To me, it was worth every dollar for the view. It's right across from the Bellagio, so you can watch the Bellagio fountain show literally from steps away from your bed. We really enjoyed our stay here when it came to the room and also the room service. It was just that the check-in process is very chaotic, and I don't like chaotic check-in processes. I like processes where the line is moving along quickly and the reservation process is orderly. They have your information and they're not having you move from one end of a long counter to another end with all of your baggage, and you're kind of just like struggling around with your baggage. Nobody even took our bags when we came in, which is another thing. You have all of these big bags, all of these bellmen standing around, and no one is helping anybody that's coming in. That's our honest review of the Cosmopolitan Hotel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop any comments you may have down in the comment section below. If you stayed at the Conrad before, let us know what your experience was. And if you're considering staying, let us know what you took away from this video.